Now is the time that you need to prepare.
We're not done with Harvey yet. People are certainly concerned about Harvey.
The Joker chose me.
And this could bring Harvey back to life. In terms of the latest info on Harvey, it is remaining stationary at this time. It is still a depression, but
our meteorological science is not advanced enough to pinpoint a stationary rain event on a micro scale.
With it staying stationary, that's going to give it some opportunity to energize itself over the warm waters of the Gulf.
Tropical depression Harvey has made a comeback.
So we're pretty concerned for folks in southern Texas all the way up into eastern Texas in the Houston area to possibly even near Louisiana.
Now, we could be looking at a potential landfall of Harvey by about Friday.
So Harvey may get stuck, and if he does, you're looking at a tropical storm that's going to be sitting around or moving slow for 24 to 48 hours. That's a problem.
Fair enough.
So we're very concerned about the possibility of a dangerous flood event in the making.
Fair enough.
We are talking about heavy rainfall, devastating rainfall coming to this area.
Well, here's the good news.
It's main event time.
Weather is weird, that is perfectly clear.
Does it feel like the weather has just been really weird this year?
Oh, so you gotta start watching things very carefully.
Stay cool.
And you have to stay cool, right?
We are going from cool to downright hot.
This is a Thor News presentation. Are you cool? Because I'm going to be dropping some hard Thor News science upon you. Thor News presents.
Here's the big picture.
Now, the remnants of Harvey are working into some exceptionally warm water, and this area is very conducive for development. In fact, the National Hurricane Center gives it a 100% chance of development.
And possibly becoming a hurricane before landfall, which could happen as early as late Friday morning, Friday afternoon.
The strength doesn't so much matter as what it's going to bring. Notice that track right on into Texas.
Harvey's going to slow down. Why? Because it's going to be in between two high-pressure systems. And that's why we're worried about excessive rain.
So regardless of the development of this system, we are expecting heavy rain right along the coast.
We could be looking at extreme conditions here from Texas into Louisiana, some of that coming into Mississippi. Now is the time that you need to prepare, and you certainly need to pay attention to what's happening in the next few days.
This is going to be a slow mover, so a lot of rain with this system, and we could see very heavy rain right along the immediate coastline from Corpus Christi up to Houston, and it could be some very serious life-threatening flooding.
We're talking about major travel disruptions, at least the potential here for several inches of rain, if not even more, depending on the exact movement and speed again of this system. So again, some big impacts possible here.
It could be a hurricane. Texas coast has not been hit by a hurricane since Ike in 2008. So this streak may come to an end. Excessive rain's possible, flooding rain's possible. We're going to keep you updated.
Stay tuned for this epic Thor News weird weather adventure.
So here we go again.
If it's happening in a galaxy, then Thor is all over it. Hurricanes, solar flares, Planet X. How humanity's gonna destroy itself at each other's necks. Yeah, I don't know if you know this. No, I don't know if you know this. Thor News is always baby. Thor News is the one, baby. Thor News is always baby. Thor News is the one, baby.
Stay cool.
We are going from cool to downright hot. And stay cool.
Wave after wave after